Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, I've traded as a sole trader and I've accumulated ATO debt of about $200,000. I think I maybe could try and pay it off, business is picking up, or do I just declare bankruptcy and wipe it out and start over? So my answer to this question was, if you can try and pay it off, generally do try and pay it off. Bankruptcy should generally be considered as a last resort. In working out what you might be able to pay off and over what time frame, it depends what the ATO will accept, and it depends what you think your business might be able to generate. I appreciate that nobody is able to see perfectly into the future, and so we don't exactly know how the business might perform. But it might be worth giving it some time, perhaps a few months, to see if business picks up as expected and if the estimated amounts are able to be made to the ATO. One of the things to work out in advance is if you were able to make those payments at those amounts to the ATO, and if the ATO accepted that as a payment plan, how long would you be making the payments for? So some people do this equation and it might come out at 5, 7 or 10 years. So that is quite a long period of time, noting that bankruptcy is 3 years, but of course, bankruptcy does get recorded on your credit file. It's not the end of the world that it's there, but it is something to bear in mind. So weighing up what you think the business can pay, over what period, how long that would take to pay it all off, and if the ATO will accept the payment proposal. So those factors together typically result in whatever the best course of action is. Because if, for example, the ATO doesn't accept that, it would probably be a bankruptcy scenario. Or if the payments are proposed over too long a period, that could also be a potential bankruptcy scenario. But if it's something that the business can do, even though it is challenging, it might be able to be paid off under that payment plan.